Recycling looks simple, yet most people do it incorrectly. Small mistakes lead to contaminated batches that cannot be processed. The good news is that once you learn a few basic rules, recycling becomes reliable and far more effective. Today, we will walk through these rules clearly so you can recycle the right way in your home. Know what your area accepts. Rule 1. Check local recycling guidelines. Recycling programs differ from place to place. Begin by learning what your local facility accepts. This prevents confusion and saves you time. Rule 2. Follow the material list exactly. If an item is not listed as acceptable, do not add it. Some materials cause machinery problems, especially soft plastics and certain containers. Clean before you recycle. Rule 3. Rinse containers thoroughly. Food residue contaminates entire batches. A quick rinse removes oils and leftover food so containers can be processed properly. Rule 4. Let items dry. What cardboard or paper cannot be recycled? Let items dry before placing them in the bin. Rule 5. Remove food-soiled waste. Pizza boxes with greasy bottoms belong in compost or trash, not in recycling. Only clean parts can be recycled. Sorting materials properly. Rule 6. Flatten cardboard boxes. Flattening boxes saves space and improves sorting speed. Rule 7. Keep paper and plastic separate if required. Some areas use single-stream recycling, others ask for separation. Follow the system used in your region. Rule 8. Don't mix small items. Caps, lids, and tiny pieces often fall through machinery. Many facilities do not accept them. Small items can jam the equipment. Plastic rules most people don't know. Rule 9. Not all plastics are recyclable. Plastic numbers do not guarantee recyclability. Some plastics are rarely processed, even if labeled with a recycling symbol. Rule 10. Soft plastic requires special drop-off. Plastic bags, wraps, and flexible packaging clog machinery. Many areas offer special collection points for these items. Rule 11. Avoid mixing plastic types together. Different plastics melt at different temperatures. Keeping them separate improves quality. Metal, glass, and special items. Rule 12. Rinse metal cans. Metal cans recycle easily, but only when clean. Rinsing removes odors and food residue. Rule 13. Leave clear glass bottles undyed and unmixed. Some regions separate clear, green, and brown glass. Check if your facility requires this. Rule 14. Batteries and electronics need special disposal. Never place batteries or electronics in regular recycling. They require dedicated drop-off centers. What happens after you recycle? After recycling trucks collect materials, everything goes to a sorting facility where machines and workers separate items. Clean, sorted materials get baled and sent to manufacturers who turn them into new products. Contaminated items often end up discarded. This is why good recycling habits matter. Build a simple recycling corner at home. Set up a small space with bins for paper, plastic, metal, and general waste. Keep a reminder of your local rules nearby. When everything has a place, recycling becomes automatic. Recycling the right way begins with clear rules and clean habits. Start with rinsing containers, flattening boxes, and removing contamination. These steps support a healthier recycling system and help reduce waste in your home.